Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a very important topic of algebraic expression, that is multiplication. So how the algebraic expressions are getting multiplied, that we are going to see now. So we have already studied about this, that is x raised to n multiplied by x raised to n. So that will be getting added, means whatever the power of x is there, it will get added. Only if the base is same, then only that index will be getting added. So x raised to n plus n. For that we will have one example, that is x square y cube multiplied by x cube y raised to 5. So in this you can see the x as the base are same, that are getting multiplied, so their powers will get added. So x raised to 2 plus 3. Same way of y raised to 3 and y raised to 5, here it is there. So 3 plus 5 will be there, y raised to 3 plus 5. So after adding, we will get x raised to 5 and y raised to 8 multiplied by y raised to 8. So in this way, we have to do the multiplication of the algebraic expression. Next, we will see to multiply the monomials. So we will see according to that one by one. When we are multiplying monomial with the monomial, what answer we are getting, that we will see. So the example is multiply 6a square b cube and negative 4a cube b raised to 4. You can see they are monomial. That means single term is there. So how to multiply it? The expression will be in this way written as 6a square cube a square b cube multiplied by negative 4a cube b raised to 4. So here always keep in mind constants will get multiplied first. Don't forget the negative sign here. So negative sign will be as it is. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. And then you have to start to do the addition of the powers of the particular alphabet. So A is there. So A raised to 2 plus 3 will be 5. Then B raised to 3 plus 4 will be 7. So this is our answer of the multiplication of monomial by monomial. In this way, you have to go through the examples and solve this. So now, let us have a look for the next, that is multiply a polynomial by a monomial. So in polynomial, we know more than one terms are there, and in monomial one term is there. According to that, if the question is asked, multiply the polynomial with the monomial, how to solve like that questions we will see now. So, we will see the first example, that is multiply 8a square b minus 3ab plus 5b square by 6ab. Okay, so this is having 3 terms and this is having 1 term. So, polynomial by monomial we have to multiply. So, you can solve it by vertical method also or in a horizontal method also. So, let us see by vertical method. 8a square b negative 3ab plus 5b square multiplied by 6ab. So this is our question. So start from here. 6 5s are 30. See the sign also. Sign is positive. So write there 30a and b multiplied by b square, it will be b cube. B raised to 2 plus 1, it will be b cube. Okay. Then the next term is negative 3ab. So negative sign we have to consider here. The constant first we will multiply, that is 3 6 are 18. A multiplied by a, it will be a square. B multiplied by b will be b square. Then multiply with this term. So first constant we will multiply. 6 8s are 48. Sign is positive, so we will keep it as it is. Then 48 a cube square is there and here 1 is there. So we will add into this one. So it will be a cube and b square. So this is our answer of polynomial by monomial if we are multiplying. So this answer we are getting. Okay. In this way we can solve the examples related to this type of the polynomial multiplied by monomial. Now we are going to solve the different type of the example where multiplying a polynomial by a polynomial. Okay. Now we are going to see a polynomial multiplying by a polynomial. So for that we have the example multiplying x square minus 4x plus 7 by x minus 2. Both are polynomial. So how to do it? Let us see by the horizontal method. So it will be x minus 2 multiply by x square minus 4x plus 7. So how will you solve this? Now in this, first you have to consider x, multiply this x to all the terms of this polynomial. Okay, so x into bracket, what are the terms that you write down? X square minus 4x plus 7. Negative 2 as it is. Inside the bracket x square minus 4x plus 7. Okay. So this x multiplied by x square. X multiplied by x square is x cube minus x. This minus sign you have to keep as it is. So x multiplied by 4x. So 4 will be as it is. X multiplied by x is x square plus 7 multiplied by x is 7x minus 2 multiplied by x square. 2 multiplied by x square. So it will be 2x square. Negative will become positive. And 2 fours are 8 and x will be as it is. Negative positive will become negative. 2 sevens are 14. Then here you have to see that whether there are like terms or not. If there are like terms, then you can just do the addition or subtraction of that particular expressions. So let us see if it is there. So negative 4x square and negative 2x square is there. Then 7x and 8x is there. Then other no one is having the like term. So we will write it as x cube as it is. So negative 4x square and negative 2x square. Negative will become positive and sign will be of greater. So 4 plus 2 is 6x square. Then 7x plus 8x. So plus 7 plus 8 will be 15x and negative 14. So this is our answer of this question. X cube negative 6x square plus 5x negative 14. So this is the answer of this question. In this way, step by step, you have to follow it. Means this x should be multiplied to every other term of this polynomial and negative 2 should be also multiplied with this term. Same way, you have to solve it by vertical method also as we are doing as usual multiplication. Now, let us have a look to the example, that is, the adjacent sides of a rectangle are 3x square minus 2xy plus 5y square and 2x square plus 5xy negative 3y square. Find the area of a rectangle. So you know very well how is the rectangle. Rectangle has two sides equal. Okay. So this is the breadth which will be equal. This is the length which will be equal. And what is said here? Adjacent sides. Adjacent sides means this sides. Okay. So adjacent sides are given as this. So we know area of rectangle is, formula we know, equals to length into breadth. Right? So length into breadth if we are doing, that means it is the area of a rectangle. So what is the length? That we will write 3x square minus 2xy plus 5y square multiplied by 2x square plus 5xy minus 3y square. Okay, so we can find out the area by multiplying the two adjacent sides, that is length into breadth. We can multiply and solve it. So let us see now. Each term we have to multiply with each term of the polynomial. So one by one we will write it down. So it will be, first we will write 3x square into the bracket 2x square plus 5xy minus 3y square. Then negative 2xy into bracket 2x square plus 5xy minus 3y square plus 5y square. Inside the bracket 2x square plus 5xy minus 3y square. Okay, like that way what I have done, I have just split all the algebraic expressions which are present in this term, and then I have separated and multiplied to each one. See, you can see here 3x square is multiplied to whole bracket, then negative 2xy is multiplied to whole bracket, then 5y square is multiplied to whole bracket. Now start multiplying to that. So 3x square multiplied by 2x square, 3 2s are 6, x square and x square will be x raised to 4. Do the addition of these powers. Plus 3 5s are 15. X multiplied by x square will be x cube and y will be as it is. Then negative 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, x square y square. Negative sign as it is of this. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, x cube y. X cube y plus will be there? No. Here will be negative sign. So 2 multiplied by 5 is 10x square y square. Negative will be positive. 2 3s are 6 x y cube plus 5 into 2 is 10 x square y square plus 5 multiplied by 5 is 25 x y cube, and last is negative sign, plus minus will be minus. 5 multiplied by 3 is 15 y raised to 4. Okay, so in this way you have to multiply each term. After getting multiplied, you have to observe whether any of the term is like term. If it is like term, you combine it. So let us see now. X raised to 4, it is there? No. So we will write it as it is. Then 15x cube y, here it is there. This x cube y, only these two. So 15 minus 4, it will be how much? 11. Positive 11 because greater number sign. X cube y. 9x square y square. So this will be there, this will be there, and this will be there. Okay, so it will be minus 9 minus 10, it will be negative 19, and 10. This we can cancel directly. Okay, so we will get only minus 9x square y square. Right? Then this over x is 6xy cube. So 6xy cube. Any other term is there here? Here it is 5y square multiplied by 5xy. So here it will be y cube. So 5xy cube, and this and this. Okay, it is similar. So 25 plus 6, it will be plus 31xy cube and negative 15y raised to 4. Okay. In this way we can solve the example. Now you can see any other term is there? Relative? No. So this will be the answer of our question. So in this way we can solve the different type of the examples by multiplying polynomial into polynomial. There can be the examples like find the area of a square, area of a rectangle. In that way you have to go through the example, see properly. Okay. Now let us have a look to the different type of the example which is very interesting. Multiply 3x square y and negative 2x y square. Verify the product for x equals to 1 and x equals to 2. So when you will find out the answer means product of this, you have to put the value of this x and y into that and verify whether it is same or not. So let us see now. First we will do the multiplication of this. 3x square y multiplied by negative 2x y square. Okay, so how it will get multiplied? 3 2s are 6, negative sign will be as it is. X square into x is x cube. Then y multiplied by y square will be y cube. Okay, so 6x cube y cube is the answer of this. Now we have to put the value of x as well as y. So this is y. Okay. So we have to put the value of x as well as y here. So x and y value we will put now in this also and this also. So 3 multiplied by x value is 1 square. Multiplied by y is 2. Multiplied by negative 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2 square equals to negative 6. X is 1 cube and y is 2 cube. So here 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, multiplied by 1 is 6. Then 6 multiplied by minus 2 is 6 multiplied by minus 2, it will be minus 12. Minus 12 multiplied by 2 raised to 2 is 4. Okay. So minus 12 multiplied by this 4. Okay. And here it will be negative 6 multiplied by 8. 2 cube is 8. Negative 12 multiplied by 4 is negative 48 equals to negative 48. 6 4s are 8. So you can see both are getting the same answers. So it is verified when you will put that x equals to 1 and y equals to 2 in product also, and in this also factors also you will get the answer same only. So it is verified in this way. So like that we can solve the different type of the examples by multiplying the algebraic expressions. So next time we will see the division of that. Till then, have a nice day.